What's up, everybody? It's about to go down tomorrow or today. Depends what time you're watching the video. But February 15th at 7 o'clock, it's Central Simone Assembly of God. We're doing something new, calling it a Cypher Night. It's kind of more of outreach for the kids. So we want to invite you and a friend if you want to come out on tomorrow night or tonight, depending on. Or if it's already February 16th and you missed it already and you're watching this video. Anyway, but February 15th, 7 o'clock, we just want to invite you to come out. And to all my youth, um, yeah, we've been looking forward to this day for a long time now. So bring bring a friend, invite somebody, tell them to come out, show them this video, let them know, hey, it's still happening. So bring bring a friend, bring a Bible. Also bring a costume. If you got a costume, something. Why am I talking like that? Like I'm trying to sound like I'm from. Anyway, yeah, bring something. Bring something fun. We about to shoot a. We're gonna shoot a video, promo video, for the next event that we got coming up. So we want you to come out and show up. Other than that, yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We got special things going on. We got something special happening tonight. We got some food, games. Excuse me. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time. So show up. Hope to see you there. Dudes.